Continuous atmosphere protective bright furnaces mainly used for bright quenching of martensitic stainless steel, bright needing austenitic stainless steel, various copper materials and copper oil intermediate crystallization, and near final lunar event stress relief treatment, etc. Applicable for brazing stainless steel, brass, red copper and ceramic materials, auto pipe fittings, auto parts, stainless steel electric cutlery, machinery parts, mainly used for powder metallurgy sintering, annealing of magnetic material, and some small parts